Hello all and welcome back to this video, and this is the second part of the webinar which we had started yesterday. Now in this part we are going to remove the conclusion of our studies which we did, and we are going to see the shortlisted animals and planets which might have the conditions to live in space, or the planets which can sustain life. So first of all, I'll start by presenting my screen. So I hope Bill is here and he doesn't have any network connection. So Bill, please today be a bit louder because your voice is a bit dim. And also,
Hello.
yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go in the PowerPoint. Now I'm going to present. Okay, so now the presentation has started. So life on Earth and other planets, part 2. Okay. First of all, the conclusion. Bill, can you please mute for a while? Yeah. Uh, so right now, we finally decided to select both the animals. Just a minute. Yeah, okay. We finally decided to select both the animals, and the time in this time we will see the body structure of a yeast. See, this is the body structure of a yeast. Let me just select the laser pointer. See, first of all, what I'm going to do, this is there are small things, they are MLP proteins. They are type of proteins which are necessary for all animals. And the next, these small things are the mRNA, which is a type of, means the second type of DNA. And the next one is these yellow strips you can see are the heterochromatin, which is an essential protein for yeast. And the euchromatin is the second essential protein. Without that, it cannot survive. And all these chromatin associated proteins, nuclear pore complex, these are complex proteins. And this is the stomach, means the reticulum stomach, nuclear envelope. These all are types of proteins and other body parts. So the main, if you observe, we cannot see a nose to breathe or a mouth to eat or something to drink. That is why it doesn't need water or it doesn't need air. But let's see the bad news. What is the bad news? Yeast cannot live in space. This is the bad news. Why? Because it does not need oxygen nor water, but it needs carbohydrates, which he will not get in vacuum. Where will he get carbohydrates in the vacuum? If you're enjoying this series, then please comment below. And at the last, we're gonna ask a bonus question, and please answer this question in the comments. So yeast cannot get carbohydrates in the vacuum. Next, bad news too. All tardigrades are considered aquatic because they need water all around the bodies to permit gas exchange as well as prevent uncontrolled designation. They can most easily be found living in film and water lichens and mosses, as well as in sand dunes, soil, sediments, and leaf filter. So tardigrades cannot live in vacuum because they need water all around them to permit gas exchange. So both yeast and tardigrades are knocked out of our list. And the final conclusion is that no animal till now can live in space, but there can be some planets which can have microbes which cannot live in Earth. Now Bill is going to show us some shortlisted planets. Okay, Bill, it's your turn. You have to show. Okay, now Bill, now it's your turn to present. You please present your shortlisted planets.
Oh yes, my lord.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so just
Okay, Bill, we can see your screen, so you can continue.
yes. So now let's start with the presentation. Okay. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so now let's start with our webinar part 2, life on Earth and other planets. So this webinar 2 is all about planets. And in this webinar part 2 of space, we are going to tell a lot of mysterious and interesting things and facts about space, planets, stars, and a lot more which you haven't even heard of. So we are going to explain a lot of interesting facts and things about life and planets sustaining life. So we are going to explain about only two planets having a lot of life. So let's begin with our journey. So Jeff, are you going to
Yeah,
read
yeah,
or
okay, okay.
start?
So our first planet which we shortlisted is Kepler 283c. The location of the star in the night sky is determined by the right as ascension and a declination. These are equivalent to longitude and latitude on the earth. The right ascension is how far expressed in time. The star is along the celestial equator. If the RA is positive, then it's eastwards. The declination is how far the north and south object is compared to the celestial equator and is expressed in degrees. For Kepler 283, the location is 19 hour 34 minutes and 27.30 and 47 degrees 50 minutes. So 20.39 Kepler, sorry, 20.50 minutes, 20.39. Kepler is the code name for a GPU microarchitecture developed by NVIDIA, the first introduced at retail in April 2012 as the successor to the Fermi microarchitecture. Kepler was NVIDIA's first microarchitecture to focus on energy efficiency. Most GeForce 600 series, most GeForce 700 series, and some GeForce 800M series GPUs were based on the Kepler, all manufactured in 28 nm. Kepler was also found used in GK20A, the GPU component of Tegra K1 SoC, as well as in Quadro KXXX series, the Quadro NVS510 and NVIDIA Tesla computing modules. Kepler was followed by the Maxwell microarchitecture and used alongside Maxwell in the GeForce 700 series and GeForce 800M series. The architecture is named after Jonas Kepler, a German mathematician and key figure in 17th century scientific revolution. So the next planet which we have shortlisted is
So Jeff, now we are going to see some images.
yeah. So first of all, let's see images and then let's go to the next one. Okay, so
Okay.
next slide, please. Yeah, images of Kepler 283c. So as you can see, the first one over here on the I am also on my pointer is also on that, and Bill's pointer is also on that. That's the image of Kepler 283c, which is from the star of Kepler 283c is also there. And if you see the second one, then it shows they are showing the core of it, and the all the the third one, which is showing the magnetic field of the Kepler 283c, which is almost similar to the Earth. And the next one is the inner core, the hottest part of Kepler 283c, and if you look, it looks almost similar to the Earth.
Yes.
That's amazing. So the next planet, please.
Yeah, so now let's learn about Epic 201367065.
That's a really big name. Epic 201367065. Wow.
Yes. So this are Epic 201367065. Let's just call it Epic. Is a cool red M dwarf about half the size and mass of our own sun. And there are three known super Earths orbiting around this star, lying at a distance of 147 light years star glands among the top 10 nearest stars known to have planets. Its proximity means it's bright enough for astronomers to study the planet's atmosphere and to determine whether it is conducive to life. So the three exoplanets orbiting Epic are 2.1, 1.7, and 1.5 times the size of Earth. The smallest and outermost planet called Epic 20136706.5d orbits on the edge of the global, and it also orbits far enough that the levels of light it receives from the sun similar to those received by by Earth from the sun. The compositions of these new found planets are unknown. There is a very real possibility that the outer planet is rocky like Earth. If so, this planet could have the right temperature to support liquid water oceans, said Eric Patigura, a graduate student at the University of California, Berkeley.
So it has a really high possibility to have life. This is the planet with the highest possibility. So now that's it, and our final conclusion is epic 20136 or blah blah blah, so we'll call it epic. Our final conclusion is epic. So this planet can have life. So actually there is a star. It's a star which has orbiting, which there is a planet orbiting. The name of the planet and name of the star are same, I guess. Yes, no?
Yes.
Don't get confused. The name of the star and name of the planet is same. So that the epic planet, not star, epic star, epic planet can have life. So as we have read that there can be possibilities of having liquid water on the surface. So our conclusion is yes, life can be possible in on the epic 201367005. So we're going to share these both PPTs in the description of the video. So guys, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update related to our videos. And in the next week we are going to get a new we are going to get a new webinar series for you all, so that you all new webinar series, so you all can again enjoy. The name of the series is the mystery of planet 9. I'm not going to go in deep with planet 9, but I'm just telling that please attend the next webinar too, and thanks for watching. So thanks to Bill too, and please
Yep.
please comment us if you enjoyed or not. So
Yeah.
bye for today, and we'll meet in the next video.